Um, Now we will start our HDL photovoltaic energy storage solution training. About this training, we will have 4 parts. The first part is introduction to HDL home photovoltaic and energy storage solution. The second part is about the configurations. The third part is overview of project. The last part is some notice. Now we will start the first part. About the first part, the HDL home photovoltaic energy storage solution is designed to further depend the management of home energy and smart equipment, giving user free solutions values and 7 application values by combining an HDL home PV energy storage system with an HDL intelligent home system. One is a PV energy storage system. This system consists of PV components and hybrid inverters, an energy storage system, and a big data platform for home energy storage. And the next is a smart home system. About this one, the PV system can work with our HDL bus pro system, KNX system. And about the free solutions value, sorry, the solution delivers a practical value to users in terms of input cost, users experience, and energy use. About the 7 application values, these values offer 7 application value natively in cost input, space energy, electricity consumptions, cost return period, electricity consumption, stage, outage assurance, green electricity, and process management. And this is the structure. About the structures, in fact, the PV system, it is another part. This part is our home systems, such as the bus pros, KNX, SEPBIS. This part will connect our lighting, curtain, and some air condition controlled music. But about the PV system, you need to add one more gateway for it. You can see here, yes, 2 parts. This is a PV pass. This is a bus pro KNX systems pass. And our HDL on-pause application can control or monitor them. This is a solution topology for new installations. This is a PV energy storage, and it will connect to the powered. And maybe you will have one question: how to connect to HDL system? So you just need to add our bus pro or KNX gateway, the new gateway, not the one IP gateway or the IP router. So you need to pay attention for this part. This is a new gateway. But maybe you will have another situation, the AC coupling and grid connections for energy storage. About this part, it has little different. The different part is that this here, the right corner you can see here. Maybe in the old system, it has the inverter and PV components. So you need to connect to our HDL PV energy storage, and another part is same. And another solution is the AC coupling and grid connections for capacity, expansions, and energy storage solutions. About this part, in here, you can connect the PV components and spare loads to our HDL PV energy storage directly. So here, this solution is combined above two solutions. And all data is from HDL AIoT platform. Okay, because the first part is about the PV systems structures. So this part we will share how to configurations of the solutions. About the solutions, normally we will have 7 steps. Sorry, maybe some guys need to mute the voice. About the design solutions, normally we have 7 parts. The first part is the low power calculation. About this part, you need to note how much you need to know the power and select the different device. And the second part is the total consumption of the load. And the next part is battery capacity calculation. And the fourth part is determined battery specifications. And then the PV production calculation. So when you know this, you can determine battery specification and select the device and configuration. Maybe you will feel confused. I think maybe you will feel it is some difficult for us how to do it. So later I will tell you, because I will have the itself for you. You just need to input some data, and then you will know how to select the device. Okay, this is our device HDL PV systems. So for this one, we have the 3 kilowatt single phase, 5 kilowatt single phase, 10 kilowatt three phase, and the battery pack. This is our the PV systems. So you just need to sorry. You just need to select the device according to our product list, and then we will send to you. And this is the cable. For example, one you just need to use one, so it is just one pair. And this is our product list. About the product list and the price, more detail, you can contact your sales. They will send some information to you. Okay, now I will tell you how to choose an inverter. About the inverter, it is based on the total power of loads. So, and about this, at first you need to note how many loads that has in the house and the total power of the loads. For example, the lighting is 500 watts, and the AC is 1,500 watts, and so finally you know the total is 3,000. So about this, normally we need to select more higher than 3,000 watts. For example, this one GSE MIS. This time is the normal AC output power is 3,680 watts. Because why? Because 100% load capacity on inverter is not suggested. You need to have some space for the device. And this is some steps to tell you how to calculate the daily electricity consumptions of loads, the battery capacity, you just need to improve some parameter according to this, and you will get the parameters. And about the stem free, you still need to calculation of the PV components. But you need to pay attention. The sums of the open circuit voltage connect to the module should not exceed the maximum open circuit voltage allowed by the inverter, or it will lead to the damage of the equipment. Because the actual power generations of the photo voltage is affected by radiation's intensity of suns, ambient temperature, weather conditions of other factors, while the power generations of photovoltaic decrease a lot with time. It is recommended that the configurations followed 1.1 to 1.25 capacity radio. So this is the results for you. You just need to improve some parameters in here, and then you will know how to select. You will know how to select the device. And about the part 3 overview of the project implementations. At first, for example, now your client tell you, I have the PV system requirements. So at first you need to analyze their requirements and then configurations the solution. When you finish this step, you need to install the equipment. Install equipment, it includes equipment wiring and inspect the installation wiring. And then you need to you will go to the power on commissioning and usage training. And then here I have the video to use. This is our applications video. Wait a second. This is on plot. So maybe you will have one question. Is HDL on support this? Or is HDL on doesn't support the PV system? You must use the on plot system. So it means that you need to select the new gateway in your system. The one IP gateway doesn't support it. So in the app, you can check the data. It includes the year, month, date. You can see all data. So here is all parameters. And you can switch off the inventors in the apps. Okay, then the last part is about the notice. About some notice, normally it will have some problems about the inverter, because about the new guys, if he need to install the PV system, normally they will have this question: the inverter CT is reversed. So about this, at first you need to definitions of the positive directions of the inverters. because the PV power only has a positive power and no negative power. And the grid power, the positive directions for feeding power to the grid, negative directions for grid power supplied to the load or inverter battery powers, positive directions for discharging, and negative directions of charging. And the next is the following. For the moment is the reverse connections of the CT. So about this, because with the type, because next part we will have another part about this notice. Later I will share the PowerPoint directly. If you have any questions, now you can write the box and we will answer your questions. And about the training, we will share the presentation and instead video to you. Okay, if you don't have any questions, we will go to next part. Okay, I see one question. Does HDR PV provides online? Oh, sorry, this is not for the online. Do you want it? It is the local. It is for the local. And we will share the presentation. Don't worry. No, this is not for Now about the energy management. You can use the PV system, but if you don't want to use this PV system, you can use our energy module. But energy module is only for monitor the power.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, Jay. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Jay, I have a question. I just wanted to ask you that the best system has RS485 controller, and in our HDL system, automation system, we also have RS485 to HDL converter. Can we do like the integration where we can control our relay modules, dimmer modules, or any automation modules with the energy percentage or the battery capacity percentage of the best system? Like let's say our battery percentage is below 30, and we want to send a command to our relay modules that turn off few of the relay channels, or let's say turn off few air conditions. Is it possible?
Oh, I got it. About this requirement, at first we need to do the integrations in the RS485 module be according to your using device, the third-party device. And then when the integration you need to we need to send the command. So for example, now I detect some parameters, so I need to send the command to the relay or other module. But the main part is I need to know your device protocol and then do the integrations in the RS485 devices.
I just want to control SGL modules. My question is very simple. Let's say the battery percentage is below 30. I want to send a command to our relay module, which will basically be controlling our air conditioners or heavy load. Okay, and the percentage is below 30. I just want the base system to send command to the relay modules to turn off and reduce the load so that my 30% battery can last longer. Is it possible?
Oh, so sorry. This
cannot. This is a very nice question.
Yeah.
Because if the base system has RS485 controller, and in our automation SDL modules we also have RS485 to SDL controller, then I think the best use of best will be to have this function, because in this way we can better manage our energy and our battery capacity.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I agree with your point. But now we don't support it. Let me mark it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Jay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
And you also have shared the presentation. I will check it. If there were any questions, I will ask you.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Thank you.